glad to be back after a horrible 48 days from quarantine, 15 days from another lockdown, 15 days, and an extension lockdown, 15 days. I will try to have a little practice with this. Okay guys, I was not able to pick this padlock, and I will try to apply another way. Right friends, now I'll try to pry this out if it can be taken out, and if it does, then it's not a security lock at all. Look like some giving way. Yeah. Now friends, after totally destroying this padlock, and now what remains is a hollow padlock, ball bearing on it. So I had in mind to modify this, and I found out there was a material which I was able to find which is really compatible, and that is a Medeco cam lock. Well, this I found this here just scattering around. Now this padlock is hollow. What I mean is that what remains is the four ball bearing, and also it has belt with a slot on this side, which is really coincide with the sidebar of this cam lock Medeco here. So you see that it works well, and now all I do is readjust for the four ball bearings, which is both sides. Alright, now testing it with a padlock, because it would be that this padlock and the bearings, there is one small bearing, so I believe that the other, which is uneven, this small one will be here, because that will be the slider. Okay, now plugging this original hole here with the pin which I got before. And also I think we need to just cut this one here. Okay, that's Medeco, that's steel. Okay, so that's how to try it. That's strong. Okay folks, so now this a no good divorce padlock now become a top security, and it's not made in Italy now. It is made in KSA by me. So now it's a Medeco Camlock cylinder, and it poses now a good security feature. Okay folks, so that's how to modify a very weak padlock. If just by chance you got those materials, which luckily I had this Medeco Camlock, and it really fits. The diameter of the cylinder is really very nice, and it has a close tolerance on the diameter of this padlock here. So okay folks, thanks for watching and good day. Now I have a top security padlock. Thank you.